Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an interesting accessory for all you Nintendo Switch enthusiasts out there. It's the wrist strap for Joycon Controller 2-pack lanyard replacement parts accessories for Switch and OLED Joycon Controller by Decor. So, what are the benefits of using these wrist straps? Let's find out. These straps elevate your gaming experience by providing extra security when playing motion-based games. They also improve the SL and SR buttons, making them much easier to press, which is a game-changer for intense gaming sessions. These straps are precision-engineered to fit flush on all sides of your Joy-Con controllers, ensuring a perfect fit. By attaching the strap to your wrist, you can hold the Joy-Con more comfortably, enhancing your control over games. The straps are designed with feedback-based input and use Germany-imported compact material, making them wear-resistant and durable. Each product undergoes professional quality inspection before packaging to ensure you receive them in top-notch condition. Let's talk about what you'll receive when you purchase this product. You'll get a 2-pack of wrist straps in either black or white. Here are a few additional details to consider. This product is from a small business brand, so you'll be supporting a small business by purchasing it. Please note that products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. You may need an adapter or converter for international use. While we can't include customer reviews, it's worth noting that this product has received a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, indicating a high level of customer satisfaction. And there you have it, folks. The wrist strap for Joycon Controller 2-pack lanyard replacement parts accessories for Switch and OLED Joy-Con Controller by Decor. With enhanced gaming experiences, precision engineering, and premium quality, these straps are a must-have for any Nintendo Switch owner. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another product critique video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.